Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to move chats between projects in Claude. So I've got Claude open here, and if we go to our chats tab, you can see there's quite a few. I have some underneath my personal hobbies project, and I have some underneath my research projects. So if I wanted to move one to the other, one way I could do this is by clicking on the context menu that appears when I mouse over a specific chat and click on change project. So here you're going to be able to move it from one to the other by simply selecting which one you would like to move it to. And as you can see from the notification on the top right, it says chat moved to research projects, and it's properly reflected in the projects property right here. Another way you can do it is directly from the project itself. So let's say you go into your research projects area and then or research projects folder, and then go ahead and click on a chat. On the drop down menu, when you mouse over a chat, you can see the same option appear right here. So you can change it from one to the other or move it from one to the other very seamlessly and very effortlessly. And then if you have chats without any specific projects, you can also do the same. You can change its project. So say, let's go here to production guides access. This one does not have any particular project associated with it, but if we wanted to, we can move it to one of the two projects that I already have created right here. So it's just really useful that Claude has a lot of ways that one can move a certain chat from one to the other. And I believe you can also do it directly from the chat box. If we go ahead here and let's say we open one like this one, we should be able to do it directly from the chat box by clicking on the plus button here and adding it to a certain project. As so. Yep. So you can also freely change between which project your current chat is in directly in the prompt box. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.